I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong reading. So, let's check the updates. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. This is also a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo napanood ito, this reading is meant to find you. Healing and releasing, spiritual awakening, and a freedom. So, parang sa'yo, siguro, medyo pinilit natin ang mga bagay-bagay kahit ipinapakita na sa atin ng universe yung mga signs. Sabihin natin, naging matigas din ang ating ulo. And I believe that we actually are very aware of it. Ngayon, meron na tayong somewhat embrace of the reality na medyo nga naging pasaway tayo. Medyo naging tayo. Matigas ang ulo at talagang pinagpilitan natin ang mga bagay-bagay. So, ngayon, meron na tayong, kumbaga, pag-surrender, pagtanggap sa mga nangyari, buong puso, we are very humbled by whatever it is that's happening, ngayon sa buhay natin. Parang sabi mo ngayon, nagtitiwala ako ngayon sa aking gut feeling, magtitiwala ako ngayon sa ibinibigay na universe sa akin na signs, and I think that this is also for me to accept the good, the bad, and the ugly, para na rin sa aking paglaya, paglaya sa katigasan ng ulo, paglaya sa pain, So you begin to trust the faith. You begin to trust that there are times now we can control things, but there are also times that there are things that's really uncontrollable, not for us to decide. And I feel like you are already walking towards seeing a brighter future, walking towards opening a new book with or without the energy. Energy, the reason why I am saying energy, this could be a person, this could be an event, this could be a situation where you feel like, okay, I have acceptance that I should let this go. With the Three of Cups, the Lovers, and the Wheel of Fortune. I feel like this energies really gives you some good memories. It becomes so addicting to a point wherein you don't want this energy to be removed from your system. This might be recreational drugs, no? This might be some vices, or you're becoming addicted to, or you became, it's past. You became addicted to a person, which I feel like you have a strong connection with. So, parang binigay natin lahat-lahat, pati pamato. I feel like somewhat we sponsored this person's well-being. So, kumbaga, meron din ditong part na binuo natin yung tao, whether it is binigyan natin ng pera, binigyan natin ng damit, binigyan natin ng bahay, pinakain natin. Again, this is not, panunumbat. This is more of the things that you did. Wala naman dyan si person, so okay lang yun. Bakit natin ito isusumbat? Pero you know what you did, no? Parang, if not because of you, this person might probably be sleeping in a dumpster, no? So, with the Three of Cups, masaya naman siyang kasama, di ba? At one point in time, nabigyan kanya ng ligaya, ng saya, ng happiness. So, that's worth it. Pero kasi, I don't know why it became a Wheel of Fortune na parang medyo lumalim. It has something to do with, is this will, or you probably became blinded by what? Their situation? Let me know, no? Let's check. But I want to clarify the Three of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. So this might be the first person whom you actually gave your trust to, gave your abundance to. For some reason, medyo um, either pinakilala ito ng iba or hindi ito direct ang nakilala mo, pwedeng ito ay nakilala mo through online. Um, I feel like there were communications here that's with the help of technology, no? Whether this is FB Messenger, FB WhatsApp, no? Text calls. So with the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Wands, um, ang bilis ng communication, ang bilis ng pangyayari, because at first, things run smoothly, no? Um, I think that you're very open with this person for some reason you don't know. Probably you feel like, oh, nagayuma ba ako nito? Is this person, kind of like doing some black magic with me? Kasi hindi naman ako ganito talaga. So first time nga, with the Seven of Pentacles, the Sun, and the King of Swords. So, inantay mo yung person to change. Kasi parang ikaw ang naging superhero, no, ditong person na ito. Parang ito kasi ang parang feeling mo ang advocacy mo, no? Saving one soul. Again, I'm not saying that that is not correct. Actually, that's a Jewish parang quote, no? If you save one soul, you save mankind. So, napabuti mo ang buhay ng tao. I think that you're waiting for him na iayos na niya yung sarili niya or iayos niya na yung relationship or iayos niya na, no? Etong mag-reciprocate naman siya sa iyong mga ginawa. Not as bilang ganti, pero kasi yun yung yun dapat, yun yung tama, 'di ba? Kapag ginawan ka ng mabuti, mabuti din ang gawin mo, no? Para hindi natatapos ang blessings. But I feel like your person did something, which I feel like with the King of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune is very aligned. Parang without you knowing, parang nagkaroon tayo are we blinded by this person's direction? King of Swords is the one who gives direction na. So siya na nagpapatakbo ng either negosyo, siya na nagpapatakbo ng bibilin, siya na nagpapatakbo ng hawak nating pera. So there's actually a huge finances or a huge chunk of amount that we're talking about here. The Magician and the Ten of Swords. So itong relationship na ito nagkasira sa pera. That's actually true. Ang masakit dito kasi, pwede kasing sabihin ni person, hindi ko naman yan hiningi sa'yo. Well, there are some, pero karamihan dito is kusa mong binigay. Which I feel like that became a lesson, no, to you. I feel like there is still some part of you wanting for this person to return or wanting for this person to, matauhan siya, magkaroon siya ng clarity, magkaroon siya ng enlightenment, but with the Ten of Swords, the Judgment, and the Page of Pentacles. Meron din dito na sana mabayaran niya ako kahit paunti-unti, kahit walang tubo, no? Magkaroon man lang ako ng assurance. Kasi parang feeling ko, in a way, you were being used by this person. Nagamit ka ng bongga, sabihin natin, wealth mo, yung nagpatakbo at nagpaganda ng buhay nitong person na ito. I don't know kung masasabi mo ba itong taong walang anong tawag doon, malasakit or walang utang na loob. Pero it kind of make me feel na medyo whatever this person did, medyo half-baked or probably hindi pa nga half, no? Medyo tagilid. Tagilid yung mga ginagawa niya doon sa mga ipinakita mo. And I feel like parang sinasabi mo, okay, this is a failure and I am, I'm being open to it. And if, will ni God na matanggal na ito sa buhay ko, I think that's it. Pero sana maibalik, yung mga nawala sa akin, hindi man lahat. So, let's check the zodiac sign of this person, of your person. Baka lumabas din po ang inyong zodiac sign. Pero, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, lalo na kung meron kayong mga katanungan. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check now the zodiac sign of the person. Taurus, Libra, Sagittarius, Gemini, Virgo, Leo, Libra, Aquarius is here, Pisces. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na video.